Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic bond. And according to statistics, according to prediction, Terra Classic can bond about 200 billion coins before the end of 2023. Now remember, this coin just bond 8.5 billion coins, and the next bond is coming by April. Now we believe that by April, Terra Classic bonding will be increasing, because remember, Binance initially stopped charging 100%. They actually said they will not be bonding 100% again, and they will be bonding just 50%. And that, because of that decision, Terra Classic was able to bond just 8.5 billion coins. Okay, last time they bond, before this one, they just bond on by March. Terra Classic was able to bond 20 billion coins. Now before the end of this year, according to expert, this bonding will keep increasing. Yes, they bond 20 billion, they bond 8.5 billion, which is a total of 28.5 billion. Binance have now bond about 29 billion. Okay, and this number is going to increase before the end of this year. We've seen Terra Classic bonding 50 billion, bonding 100 billion. That number will keep increasing before the end of 2023. And the prediction, of course, so many experts believe that Terra Classic, the way this coin, the way they have been bonding, if we don't get top exchanges contribute, if we don't get top exchanges that have listed this coin start bonding, that this coin might end up just bonding about 200 billion coins of Terra Classic before the end of the year. Destroying 200 billion coins is not going to be easy. It's a big tax right now, because when you take a look at the burning of Terra Classic, I mean, every month, imagine burning just 10 billion or 20 billion. If it is possible, Terra can burn about 240 billion. But I believe this 240 billion can really increase if Terra Classic will keep increasing in terms of price, in terms of market cap, mostly the trading part, because that is where Binance normally charge the 1.2% tax bond. And when we have a high volume of buying and sell, then expect a high burning, a high destroying of Terra Classic coin. And I believe that this coin can even burn more than 200 billion coins if Binance, I quote, can be burning every month. Even though Binance is burning 20 billion coins every month, that's about 240 billion. If Binance is burning 10, that's about 120. Okay, but we predict that this coin can burn up to 200 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC coins. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.